So in last class, we have completed MVVM architecture, right? So that MVVM architecture is like one of the important aspects. So that you can practice. After that, if you have any questions, we'll discuss on those questions. So meanwhile, we will concentrate some other topic. So that is like here today. Just I want to explain about Firebase. So let first we'll create project here. So then we'll discuss what is the Firebase and what other. So now I'm creating here FCM. So FCM is nothing but it's a cloud based Firebase cloud messaging. Firebase cloud messaging. So this is the concept of Google. So from the Google, this we have to do here means here many things we have to do from here. So that what this Firebase will provide. So that we will see here now. For that first, I'll open here FCM. See, this is the Firebase here. So in this, there are many things will be there. Like this will be used like first main reason. Nowadays, this we required for every application. For every application, this one we are using. So, but why? So there are some special scenarios will be there. First one is like the major thing, crash analytics. See, when I have uploaded my app into a Play Store, right? Play Store, but that app suddenly crashed in some of the mobile. Right? I don't know who installed my mobile. Once it is in a Play Store, we cannot have proper idea who are installing your application, like how this will be. So those kind of ideas we don't have. So for that, what happens when it is like someone it is crashed in Android 14, maybe Android 13, Android 12, like that in any of the version. Maybe I tested 20 devices, but the 21 devices, maybe the 21st device that will be different, that we don't have that application crashed on that mobile. So on such cases, immediately if we enable crash analytics to our application, so immediately we will receive a notification. This email notification we will receive. Also we can check in a Firebase console, like this is the issue, so and so that we can resolve and we can re-upload the app into Play Store, so then it will be clear, right? So now what are the, like that is the first scenario. Like that there are many scenarios, like I want to send notifications. So by using this, we are sending like whatever the notifications we are receiving nowadays, that majority of this from Firebase only, like in WhatsApp notification, email notification. So whatever the we are receiving in a notification, that most of them it is from Firebase only. So this Firebase is free of cost for the notification. See, we'll see here what for some it is like we can do testing. So that is zero cost analytics, like who installed my application, on which location they installed. So like that here we can do that. That is here app check, like we can check the app, like what is the provider base, what is attention, like checking that is we can check. And distribution we can share option. So this app hosting, so this hosting will be applicable for the backend team who are writing the APIs. For them it will be, for us it is not. Authentication, like OTP authentication we can do here, but compared to normal outside SMS, this will be huge cost. So that's the reason people are not preferring this. Next to file store, this is also for backend team, like there is a store write files. Next, cloud functions. So this cloud functions could be here, like like here we have many things in this Firebase, like cloud functions. we can integrate many of the things like Google Cloud Space, cloud pricing. So those all are also for backend side Firebase messaging. So this will be like if you want to create a charting application that we can do. So that is free of cost. This is also storage. So this is also for backend team. Analytics, crash analytics. Just now initially I told that crash analytics. So that is the one. Next to data connect. So these are the new APIs like network race, operation count to show MySQL. These are the for backend side. Hosting. This is also for backend side. So in-app messaging. So this is also messaging that we can do here. Machine learning, you want to connect with any of the machine learning algorithms that you can do. Here performance monitoring, like app performance you can able to find. And phone verification, phone number verification. So this is also like it is cost. Here next one is the real-time database. So here we can see real-time database, remote configuration, test lab. Here we can test AI. So AI logics, we can build AI and cloud. So Gemini API. So these all are the choose like some of them as free. Majority of this from mobile side we are using 4 to 5. So that we will discuss. Remaining other are the backend side, right? So if you want to create a mobile site here now, first you have to log in this Firebase with one of the Gmail ID. Right, already I have logged in. So I'm going to console here. See, once click on this console, if your browser is not logged in, it will ask to create a Gmail. If it is already logged in, so it is coming into this. So these are the projects which I created previously, right? So like let us say I'll delete this one of the project because every email has certain limitations. So just I clicked on the project name which previously I created, and in this project settings, now I'm coming down here. I'm deleting the old project. So once I deleted here, after 30 days, the complete data will be erased with respect to of that particular project. Right now, here we have 2 projects, right? Now from the Android Studio side, we will connect this, right? So Android Studio, here we created one project, right? So from here now, I want to connect here. So that is here now in this tools. So here now we have Firebase. In a tools, there is a Firebase. I'm clicking on the Firebase. Right, from here now, first we want to test with in-app messaging, right? So that I'm connecting here. So here connect to Firebase. So here Firebase console is open, right? It is 2 projects here. It is asking to create a new project. So I'm creating new project here. So FCM Sandhya, on your name, I'll create this project. So create project, I'm creating the project here. And now accept terms and condition. So then continue. So here select country. So previous project, no need to select here. Country is optional. I'm going with USA, accept terms and condition, create a project. So now the project is creating here. Yeah. So then continue from here. Let connect. So now it's connected to our Android Studio. See, it is connected here, right? Now, so here it is connected. Now, if you can refresh here in a console, so the new project will be here, right? Just I'm opening this. Now, whatever the things we are doing, that will be configured to this project, right? So I'm coming here now. So the next second step here is now add Firebase messaging to SDK. So this I'm adding here. So once I'm adding here in a Gradle level, these all are the things which is adding in a Gradles. Yeah, still it is taking time because multiple dependencies are accepting here. What happened here? Dependencies are added or no? So Firebase in-app messaging display is added here. Done. So now for messaging, one more is also required, that is cloud messaging. So both we have to add here. This is already connected. Now I'm adding this Firebase connectivity. This also I'm adding here. Wait, once it is done, we can have that our code. We will write our code. Right. So now here I'm adding some code here. That is here now we have to create one Firebase instant. So with that instant here, now we will create a code here. So for that now, so Firebase messaging dot get instance. So I want to get the instance. So that is dot get token. So here we have to get the token from the Firebase instance. We have to get the token. So from this token now that we have to add the next step. So that is the add. So get token dot add on complete listener. So that is on complete listener we have to add here. So I'm adding that on complete listener. Within a disk we have to add that task. So we have to finish the task here. Just when I close this, so task we have to add. Then on complete listener. Okay. So here task. So within a this task now, here we have to get the result. So if task ID. So maybe here task ID. Okay, we'll write here this code. Wait, we'll see. So if task, so task that is successful. If it is successful, now we'll get here some token. So that is like Firebase messaging dot. So Firebase messaging token. So first we'll define token, where token equal to Firebase messaging token. So just we have to get this token. Sorry, this is the task dot get get result. So from here now we will get that result. So get result. So from here automatically we'll get this token. So this is like we can get this. So here we will see this. What is the error in this? Because previously it was, now just we updated here, it is got updated something, so that's why maybe it has generated some new code. Just we will see here. Yeah, this is the 1 hour Kotlin code. So Firebase messaging dot get dot token are complete listeners. I also written the same, but here this not accepted. Okay, this here now. We'll add some toast. So toast dot make text. This means here what happens here, every device while launching every new means while launching every time means this we have to put in the first class. That time it will generate one token. So that token at the backend team, we have to send that token to the backend team so that the backend team will will save that token in the database. So once they will save that in the database, so from there they will means from there they will get the result, like whatever the response will come. So that response means that based on that only they will send notification. So here not generated, right? So now we will run and we'll run this and we'll see for this device now token is generating or not. So just I'm connecting my mobile. Yeah, just a minute, I'm running, we will see now. Yeah, see now it is. Yeah, see now we got here some token. So this is a token we have to send to the backend team. So the backend team will save this token. With this token, they will send notifications. So we will try from here also. Sometimes we can send notifications. Sometimes it works. Sometimes it cannot work. We will see. So here Firebase messaging, right? Analytics. So where is the notification? Messaging. Yeah, here we will see. We'll try. Maybe if we receive, we will see. Otherwise, means it's not guaranteed. Sometimes it may come, sometimes it may not come from here, but from the backend side, once it is created here. Good morning. So this will keep aside and I'm sending here. So next, so I'm selecting the app review. So this is the message we are trying to publish. So that is published. So it is not received. We'll try one new campaign. So in-app messaging. Now we will try this in-app messaging. So so yeah, normally the notification should come. Now it is also not came. We'll do from here now. Log.i. So just I want to print that. So log.i. So here token. So here now, this is the token I want to print here. So just I'm rerunning this now in the mobile. So that token should come here in this. So here I'm filtering with this token. See, this is the token which got generated here. Now we will try to send notification with this token right here. So this is the token here, right? Now here, new notification. Hello. So from here now, send message. So here I paste the token. So now next. So next. So these are our stuff. Now I'm sending. I'm publishing this. So the campaign is run. Okay, already I told, right? Sometimes it may come from here, sometimes it may not come here, but what this process, same process, the backend side, they will save the token and they'll do that next process. So that token will be generated here. So this is the first concept in Firebase. So in this, some of the other things are there, so that we will see tomorrow. But today I have 8 o'clock the client call, so I'm closing the class today.